Hi viewers, this is our twin tower skywalk. It will be completed up to properties. Next we are going to view the supports. In these supports, create a support as fixed support. Click on add it and select the support. Take the structure in front view. Select all bottom nodes and click on assign to selector nodes. Click on assign. Click on S. The supports are generated here like this. Go to 3D view. It will be outlined. Okay. Next go to load case, loads and definitions. In these definitions, I want to take definitions here for wind load and seismic wind definitions and seismic definitions. In this, first of all, I want to select the seismic definitions. In this, I want to select the Indian 1983, 2002 by 2005. Generate. After clicking generate, here we have to select the zone of zone or city. When I take a city, it will be, and here select the medium soil, give the damping ratio, click on generate. Here damping ratio will be 0.05 and it will be 0.5. in Z direction also 0.5. all it is are okay. Just click on add it. Next go to self-weight factor of 1, add it, and go to member loads. Here member load is how much? It will be 7.5. Why? Because 0.5 by 0.6 by 25 is the member load. Beam dimensions into concrete density, it is 7.5. Click on add it and close it. Select this and this member will be acted to beams parallel to X direction and select beams parallel to in Z direction. Just click on assign to selected beams, click on assign, click on S. It will be assigned. Next go to wind definitions, click on add it. In this type 1, wind 1 will be added and close. Select the wind and click on add it. Here view the intensity as, first of all go to calculation. In this select the 2010 also, category as 4, wind speed as 44, click on apply, click on OK. It will be like this. Click on add it. Here give the factor of 1, click on add. Close it and select this, assign to view, click on assign, click on S. After that we have to go to the load case details, click on add it. In this, first of all I want to take the seismic loads. In seismic load, earthquake load in X direction, add it, and next earthquake load in Z direction. Next go to wind load, wind in X direction, add it, and next wind in Z direction. Next dead load, BL. Next live load, LL. Next floor load. There is floor load as different. Add it and close it. Now take this, click in X direction, click on edit. In this I want to select the seismic loads. Go to seismic load here. Here it is in X direction 1, add it, and negative X direction means -1, click on add it and close. Okay. In earthquake I want to take the only single direction, and next earthquake load in Z direction, click on add it. Here go to seismic loads, give the Z direction 1, click on add it and close. Next we have to take the wind load. In wind load I want to select here as X direction, it will be 1, and wind load in X direction -1, click on add it and close. Next wind load in Z direction, click on add it, go to wind load. Here we have to change the direction as Z1, click on add it and -1, click on add it and close. Go to dead load, view the self weight as -1, click on add it and close. Next live load, here go to floor load, it will be -3 from a height of 3 to 45. Why? Because my first floor is in a height of 3 meters. Click on add it and close it. Take a floor load. Again go to floor load. Here it will be -1. It is also minimum 3 meters to 45 meters. Click on add it and close. Now there is a one red mark here. Why? Because this is the red question mark, we have to assign this load. Go to assign to view. It will be assigned. After assigning, here the mark will be disappear like this. Yes, this is our wind load applied in Z direction, negative Z direction, and it is positive Z direction. When it is positive X axis, it is negative X direction. Wind load applied like this, and this is our live load applied on a floor, applied only on plates. That is our live load, and this is our flow load. That will be intensity of -3 and this will be -1. Variation we can observe. Like this our flow load will be acted on a plates only. And here go to earthquake load. This is our earthquake load in x direction, earthquake load in z direction. Next we are going to apply materials. Select the concrete, select assign to view, click on S and click on S. This is our structure. I can apply the concrete to this. Next go to analysis and print option, go to no print option, click on add and close. Go to analysis, run analysis, save. Here analyzing will be in process. If there is no errors we can continue. If there is any error we have to rectify it. Okay, there is no errors, we have only 2 warnings. If you want to see that, go to output file, done. This is our result box. Warning 1 is important factor seems to the lower side, and the next warning is the UBC analysis has tension or compression. Okay, warning will be okay. If we have any errors, here we will be open this and see the errors, which type of errors are key and how to rectify it, we can observe it. Almost our errors are like missing elastic property, missing elastic modulus, like that only. If we have any error like missing, go to select option. Here we have the missing attributes. Here if you are missing any like a beam property or column property, here if you click the missing property, it will be shown. If here there is no missing property, that's why no entry with missing property is found. If we have any missing property, there will be selected there. That will be selected. Like elastic, missing elasticity, missing density, missing Poisson's ratio, all are selected at once, and after that we have to assign the missing property or missing elasticity, anything. Okay. Like that we have to rectify our errors if we have any error. If not, we can proceed our next steps. Okay, in our next video I am going to discuss about deflection and observe the plate stress, moments, shear force, and go to design. Now up to here our analysis and print will be completed. Geometry will be geometry general up to analysis and print. It will be completed. Okay. In our next video we will continue this. Up to here this is our twin tower with the skywalk. It will be our analysis and design will be perfect. There is no errors. We can be continued this in next video.